a Geek. So here is a modify Bluetooth adapter. I don't know what do you mean modify. Is this a Bluetooth adapter? Normally I just bought it for a holder. Okay, it comes with some spring. Awesome. Come out. Okay, something like this. Maybe let me close this one. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Come on, it's not going inside. Me, what depth is this? I wanna put my Osmo action, but it's still not going inside. Okay. What a stupid cheap I made screw. Let me take a better one like this one I have. So the screw which has come is not closing, sadly. So here's my Osmo pocket. So yeah, you can see here. Do it fall down? So this seems a quite good. I mean, I can easily mount on a tripod, whatever. Should you buy this one? Definitely yes.